She lost me at the bar. Did she? I went to the shelter. Brother said I went to the shelter. I must was looking for his ass. The hell he talking about I went to the shelter. But he better come get me if I'm in the shelter. Brother don't know where the hell I'm at. Brother don't know where I'm at. That's why he said the shelter. Because I ain't over there at the shelter. He said you had to do it for housing. No, he didn't. Brother don't know what the hell he talking about, do he? That's because I left. He don't know. I'm going to tell y'all, though. I'm going to tell y'all. That's the only way he going to find out, because y'all telling me. Who lying, lovely? You?
So look at Katrina said.
Listen, look. He just don't know where I'm at. He didn't know what to tell y'all. He should have just told y'all sisters. He wasn't speaking. Oh, my brother ain't going to speak bad on me. I'm not ashamed.
Listen, girl.
Listen. I would beg one of y'all to come stay with y'all. What the hell I'm going to be ashamed of? I'm finna come stay with one of y'all.
Yeah, you funny. That's cute, though.
Don't read the comments. Who, me?
That's cute.
Who they don't want me to read the comments? All right, upgraded. I heard. Oh, iyah.
I feel when people talk about me.
You talk about iyah.
And I don't like it.
He didn't say nothing bad about you, sis. I know brother ain't gonna do that. Hey, Thomas. Who name you want? Juicy. Hey, Miss Guchara. I love you too, Latte. Hey, Sam.
You get bored?
I'm good. I'm good.
Coming in here, you.
Boom, boom. I'm good. I'm
For
good.
You'll be like,
y'all all right? I'm good.
why don't you help me?
Yes, thanks for checking on me.
Until you start.
I'm coming to the house tomorrow. I'm just hanging out. I've been trying to enjoy these last couple of days.
I don't think there's anything good.
Just these last couple of days, and I'm missing love you too, baby. Yes, fine. Hey, Kiki. I've been out and about.
Right.
Dang, y'all ain't let sis get no ding-a-ling, no fresh air, no vacation. I've been outside. Shit, bitch gotta go outside. Look. Bitch gotta go outside, little son. Okay? Bitch gotta refresh that energy. I gotta find me another spot to do that, cause
it don't bother me. It just
the lighting. The sun is. I can't see my folks in their comments. Yeah, I know, Katrina. Bitch gotta go outside. Boom, boom. I'm good. I'm gonna tell y'all exactly what's going on. Just give me some time. That's so sweet of you. I'm appreciative of you, sweetie.
Ooh, that's what
I'm glad you asked. I appreciate that. What audition, smooches? What audition? I didn't know I was auditioning for what. I went to the shelter. Brother said I went to the shelter. I must was looking for his ass. The hell he talking about I went to the shelter.